Ready once again. Horses out. We've got Tono-sama. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside now. My Sweet Leonora. No Guts, No Glories. Down on the inside. And followed by Winning Hand. Next on line, Sugar Free and Towanitsa. And going along for the first turn, we have No Guts, No Glory by Oralenka. Right behind in second is My Sweet Leonora. Winning Hand is racing in third. Then 2 lengths a win for Tono-sama, Sugar Free. A long way back to Towanitsa. No Guts, No Glory by about 2.5 lengths. My Sweet Leonora still in second. Then on the outside, Winning Hand. Then 3 lengths a win for Tono-sama. Then followed by Sugar Free and Towanitsa. And it's still No Guts, No Glory by about 2.5 lengths. And in second still is Winning Hand. My Sweet Leonora remains in third, moving up on the outside. Sugar Free, Tono-sama, and Towanitsa as they come down at the last 200. And it's still No Guts, No Glory by about 7 lengths now. Moving up to take second is My Sweet Leonora, and on the outside, Towanitsa, Sugar Free. Last 75 meters, and that's still entry number 4, No Guts, No Glory. Second, My Sweet Leonora, Towanitsa. Then comes number 3, Sugar Free.
Horse